Everyone, this is Coach Julio and I hope you are well. So, as a person of color, I feel there's a huge sense of urgency to share a quick video regarding that I'm fully aware that there are a group of people who support the current administration. And that group of people can be my family members, friends, within my sphere of influence, and it also could apply on social media. I'm very, very, very aware of that. Why? Because it's pretty obvious. So that being said, this current administration is also using their platform and giving power air to racism, divisive rhetoric that hurt people of color like me. Yes, like me. Now you may be thinking, hey, I'm only voting or I'm doing X, Y, and Z. I'm supporting them because it's going to help me financially or X, Y, and Z. But I need to say to you, their platform, their divisive rhetoric, it's hurting, dehumanizing people of color. Yes, Coach Julio, I feel it. I've seen it. If this video makes you feel uncomfortable, how about when I'm in line and I hear someone, because they're emboldened, they feel like there's no accountability, and unfortunately a lot of times there is no accountability. I'm in line and then they're calling somebody racist words, and that person may be 70 years old. Or another scenario which I had yesterday, and this is kind of what I really wanted to talk about also, was, when I meet a friend who I know is not racist and they're supporting this administration, and how awkward that is, that I know that they're supporting, and I know they're not racist, but they don't want to believe, or maybe they're in denial, or for whatever reason, the ideology of that they don't support, they're inadvertently, by default, are supporting. Yes. And it's happening today. So what am I trying to say? Have you ever experienced that? You have friends, family, you have people you look up to who are supporting this. It's very awkward, but I just want to plant the seeds and just want to let you know it is within your sphere of influence. When you have a person of color, a friend, family member, and you're supporting that administration, it hurts us. So hopefully this makes you think about it.